Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Boom Beach Headquarters Center. Boom Beach is a freemium massively multiplayer online real-time strategy game for the operating system and Android. It's developed by the Supercells. It was soft launched in Canada on 11 November 2013. It was widely released on 26 March in 2014. The Boom Beach is a strategy game that combines attacks on the from the player with the attack against the computer generated NPC basis. This game was storyline is set in the topical your archipelago with the player on an island and with the defense and troops. Boom Beach combines the single player companies and that play as well as the ability to attack other player in the multiplayer mode on the same world map and the featuring an expansive world map that expanded as the player your progresses. The game pits the player against an enemy who just known as the Blackguard is the military force who is invaded the archipelago and the enslaving the local of your valuable power stones found the throughout of your which can also be used by the player to build buff providing the features. And the computer generated Blackguard who just base often appear on the map and the player can destroy them for the resources and other of your notable features on the map including resources bases which improve the resources generation when seized and can be consistent by the multiple players, as well as the dive spot where the player can send a submarine to search the teasers providing they have built it. Now this type of the game which has apart from the main aspect of the game there is also to be a cooperative from the where player can form group called the task forces and the task forces can gather intel. So this game for the operating system version of the Boom Beach was released in the mixed review according to the review aggregator site your metrics. In that the review by the your Stefan Haberman, he just noted that it seemed like a modern version of your Clash of Clans, another that the video game by the Supercells. So guys, if you like this video then please like and share and keep supporting to our channel. Thank you for watching.